When you are buying a new construction home, going to the design center can either be a really fun time or a time of stress and second-guessing your choices. Today I have tips for you for this part of buying a new construction home so that you can use your money wisely and get what you want. We're starting now. Hi, I'm Marilyn Ackerman, top Longmont realtor with HomeSmart Realty. I work with a lot of clients purchasing new homes in Colorado. I've also represented a new construction builder in Longmont, Colorado, and I've noticed that plenty of buyers just need a little bit of help when it comes to the design center.
There will be so many choices when you enter the design center for your builder. Here you're going to choose all of the finishes for your home. Everything from kitchen backsplash to bathroom tile to accent tiles to flooring. The choices are plentiful. You get to choose what will really represent your style and tie your home together. Of course, there's wood floors, many choices to choose from. Tile floors, will it be faux marble? There's so many choices for kitchen backsplashes also. And granite countertops are a lot of fun to choose as the kitchen is so often the centerpiece of the home. So how will you make these decisions?
Here are some tips that I hope will help. Tip number one is to really ask yourself what is most important to you in selecting finishes in regards to how your home is going to look. And find out also, if you're buying a house with a partner, what's most important to them. Because these kind of decisions are not always real rational, and people don't always know why they want what they want. They just know they have to have it when they see it. So at least you can define what exactly you want. The next tip is to set your budget beforehand, because you may really think that you want something, but then you find out how much it is, and that can change your mind if you already have your budget set. Tip number 3 is, if you are from out of town and buying a home in Colorado, ask someone from Colorado what features will be really important to them in their house. For one thing, in Colorado we get a lot of sunlight, so the sun is not always our friend. Whereas if you're coming from the northwest, you might want, loads and loads of south-facing windows, where in Colorado that could really make you too hot. Also in Colorado, like I said about the sun, it's very bright, so covered porches are really a must, and they're usually worth the extra money. Tip number 4 is, if you think you want something that requires a building permit, it's usually best to have the builder do it, because then they get to pull that permit with the whole house permit, and you don't have to pay for an extra permit fee. So often having the builder do something like a covered porch is usually a good use of your money. Tip number 5 is, if there are things that you like, try to communicate those things in pictures. Find pictures of things that you really like beforehand that you might want to include, or pictures of styles of things that you want in your home, because you can show these to the designer and then they can really find something that is comparable in their design showroom. But if you're just going to say you want something that looks a little bit grayish or shiny-ish, it's really hard for them to sometimes translate that into what exactly it is that you want. Tip number 6, well, it's just about an attitude. Just have fun, stay positive. The people at the design center are there to help you get what you want. When you walk into that new home with everything you choose, it's going to be a great feeling. If you are going there, then you earned it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are starting the process of looking for new homes in Longmont, Berthoud, Erie, Frederick, Meade, Firestone, then please let me know. I'd be so happy to be your guide. These are my home areas. As always, just let me know if there's anything I can do for you. I think you'll really be interested in my next video, the best tips for buying new construction homes.